In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shortcuts to Amazon app. We will focus on using your iPhone so you can jump into Amazon with a single tap from your home screen. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. You will see a grid or list of any shortcuts you already have, and a row of tabs at the bottom. If you do not see anything yet, that is fine. A blank shortcut screen just means you have not created any shortcuts before. Now tap the plus button in the top right corner. A new shortcut screen opens, usually with a name like New Shortcut at the top and a large Add Action button in the middle. This is where you tell your shortcut what you want it to do when you run it. Tap Add Action. A panel slides up from the bottom with a search bar at the top and suggested actions below. On many phones, you will also see app icons along the top of this panel, showing apps that work with shortcuts. In the search bar, type Amazon to see if Amazon provides actions on your device. If you see Amazon Shopping or Amazon Shortcuts actions, you can tap one of those. If you do not see any Amazon actions, search again for Open App instead and then select that Open App action. A small Open App box will appear in your shortcut editor with the word App in blue, ready for you to choose which app to open. Tap the word App in that Open App box, then choose Amazon Shopping from the list of apps. On screen, the action now shows Open Amazon Shopping, which tells you the shortcut will launch the Amazon app every time you use it. At this point, you can tap the shortcut name at the top to rename it to something clear, like Open Amazon. Tap Done in the top right corner. You are taken back to the main shortcut screen, and your new shortcut tile appears there. When you tap that tile, you should see the Amazon Shopping app open right away, which confirms everything is set up correctly. To place it on your home screen, open the shortcut you just created by tapping its tile. Inside that shortcut, look for the Share button, which usually looks like a small square with an upward arrow. Tap the Share button, then tap Add to Home Screen from the menu. A preview appears showing the shortcut icon and name, and when you confirm, the shortcut icon is added to your iPhone home screen. You can move it like any other app icon, and tapping it opens Amazon. On recent versions of Amazon Shopping, you may also see app shortcuts like Open Amazon Home, Launch Search, Open Cart, or Open Orders inside shortcuts. These can be triggered directly from the Shortcuts app, with Siri, or through supported widgets, so you can jump straight to key Amazon screens without extra taps. You have now created a home screen shortcut that opens Amazon in one tap and learned how to use Amazon app shortcuts. If this saved you time with Amazon, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple app tips.